Welcome, here I've got LG K50s and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on useful features category. Here at the third position we have the grid option. By using this button from the right, we can turn on the camera grid lines and also turn them off as we need. For now, let me keep them turned on. Let's go back to the preview to see them. And as you can see, we have these lines. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture. So when I take a photo and when I go here to the left to the gallery, we can't see them at the picture, so the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course, when we don't need them, we can tap to the left corner once again and use this button to turn them off. So for now, in the camera preview, the grid lines have gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.